Grab a 1 green flag as click block and a forever block. Go to the Looks tab and grab a Say Hello block. Now replace the hello with the thermistor port block to know what the current heat level is. Grab another 1 green flag as click block, forever, and an if-then block. Select the melody block and a wait 1 second block. And grab a greater than operator block. Put the thermistor port block and set it to greater than the current heat level, or 23. Now grab another 1 green flag as click block and a forever block. Take an if-then block and a greater than operator block. Take 3 rainbow LED blocks and a wait 1 second block. Now repeat these steps. Place a thermistor block inside of the operator block from before, and set the thermistor port to greater than 23. Now rename the LEDs to 1, 2, 3 in both sets. For the second set of lights, set the colors to off. This allows the lights to blink. You've finished coding your fire alarm.